everyone. My name is Anita Sharma and welcome you all on Importer Media once again. So I'm going to be with Professor Aviral, who is doing a lot of research in economics area, and I'm following his work on LinkedIn. Such an inspiring person. When I explored his profile, he worked in France. He did his postdoctorate, came back to India, and started in Cochin, wherein we all want to go and settle down. This institute where he is currently working is called as Rajgiri School of Management. I am going to welcome him, and before that, I request you all to please subscribe to the channel, and so that whenever we release any new video like Professor Aviral's video, it will reach to you as early as possible. Now, let me welcome Professor Aviral. Hello, sir.
Thank you
Thank you so
for
much.
your.
Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our request. And we are really inspired and very excited to learn from you. And we want to know what is your journey and how you started, from where you started, why did you go for the postdoctorate, everything around your journey so far.
So I will start from where I actually thought of doing research.
Uh,
So after completing my masters, I was thinking to do PhD. Of course, which most of the people they think if they complete masters in economics. I tried there in Lucknow University from where I completed my masters. But there was a long process.
mm,
Apply and then wait, and your supervisor has to agree and all. In meantime, I started teaching also in a girls' college that is very well known in Lucknow city. It is named by CMS, City Montessori School. So when I was teaching there, I thought because now I have shifted to my career to academics. So in academics, there are only two things that I have to focus on. One is teaching, another is research. Teaching anyway I am doing. Now let's try with research as well. So how to do it? I had no idea, and I asked many people there. Means whomever I was thinking that they know little bit, but they could not help me to the extent I was thinking of. And then I used to take that time EPW subscription. So I saw one advertisement in EPW that was from Kerala government only. They had asked for research officer, something like that. I don't recall exactly the name of that position. So it was for six months, two positions. First 6 months, next 6 months. And it was completely based on your background. Nothing else they were looking for. Those I am talking about I think 2000 maybe 6 or 7. Okay.
mhm.
So that time assistant professor used to get some 30,000. Guest faculty something they used to get around 10,000, 15,000 maximum.
That time.
So that time, yeah, that
Wow.
time this project was offering 1 lakh.
Wow.
So I thought if I get a project, it means I don't have to work for entire 6 month work and then 6 months take a rest and live with the family, enjoy
Ah,
happy life. So this is what ultimately means everyone has got its own way of doing and thinking about their life.
ah,
And I like to be more with my family. And
ah.
once I am apart from my family, there is no problem. We can be anywhere.
Mm.
So this was the thought, and then I started miss, but there was no way. Then I had one my classmate. She guided that there is a program in ICFI, IBS Hyderabad. So they run MPhil cum PhD program,
Mhm.
and you apply there. So because they are paying fellowship, so you will get like a salary what you are getting here as a teacher,
Mm.
and then during this period you will get PhD also. So I thought yes, this is a good idea
Mm.
because anyway I'm working as a because I did not complete PhD, I was just a master student. So that time they were used to take me as a, like a urgent guest faculty only, not permanent job. And salary what uh, I was getting, it was almost same what I was supposed to get as a fellowship promote. So there was no huge difference in terms of money. And with this, I was getting PhD as well. So I thought, okay, let me try. Then I applied, and after a lot of struggle, finally I got into that program.
Great. So you entered in the ICFI's PhD program. Okay.
So that
And
is how I entered. And then there was one colleague who is now in IIM Kozhikode. He helped me how to use SPSS
mhm,
in field program, because first 6 months was coursework as usual, and then it was like more on your selected topic and all.
mm,
So and in that selected topic we have to work, do some research work or summer research project or whatever you can call it. We used to call research paper. So in that, of course, we have to use some software. So he helped me how to use SPSS, just how to enter data and all. And then because from the beginning itself, I was like a curious kid. So everywhere you need to know how this works, how that works, and then I started using it myself. Uh, in the lab, I used to live with one of my miss my friend who is now in I am Bodh Gaya. So we used to have one laptop. So half a night he will work, half a night I will work in that laptop.
oh, okay.
That is the way we started doing our research process. And once my MPhil was completed that time in 2009, 10 you can say. In 9 only UGC came up with new regulation that you have to, you cannot run off-campus programs.
Mm,
You have to run within the campus only, whatever programs you are running. So all the students who was there in this MPhil PhD programs, they were supposed to be shifted to different universities that ICFI was running. IBS Hyderabad, that time only they got IFHE status, deemed to be university. So few students from there were selected or transferred to that, who went to Dehradun, and we 4 5 people went to Tripura.
Tripura. Mm, I saw in your profile.
Yes.
Ah,
So once we went there, initially we were thinking, okay, we don't know that place because we feel that it is like a completely outside India, right? So once we went there, their VC was very good, very much supportive, and even now whoever is VC in IFHE now, that time he was our VC when we entered into that program. So he was also very much supportive. And now I will say anyway, when I have completed the program, I will tell you one incident how he supported me.
mhm,
In our management program, we used to be means we were forced to be there in all the students' presentation,
mm,
right? Whether it's marketing, HR, or whatever area. So my focus was, of course, I was in economics and maybe to little extent you can say in some areas of finance. And other areas were just like outside my head. They were going some students present, so I don't understand and theory and all. I was just bound to be there. So I just told VC sir, this is the situation. Then he simply said, Avidal, I know you are hardworking, and if you have decided something, it means the work that you are going to do is much more important than what we are doing here.
mhm.
So, but we have got a rule, so I cannot say to break the rule. What you do is you come to the presentation hall and then go for washroom.
Okay.
So that is how. Okay, he supported, and then I utilize my all the time to learn, develop my skills, develop my knowledge. And in Tripura also, when that VC was there, he directly said that you all researchers are directly reporting to me, no one else.
Mhm,
Any problem anyone creates in your department or any other faculty, you just come and tell me.
mm,
I said, if we wanted to meet VC, we just go and knock the door. And even if there is a queue of faculty members who are waiting to meet him, we will go inside and we will meet and we'll come back.
mm,
So we will tell our problem.
mm.
And then I don't know how, again, as I said, so it can be critical. He said, Aviral, if I used to have a kind of bond or contract,
Ah,
if I am keeping you within a contract, with that contract, we were supposed to work with ICFI for 5 years. And after that, he said, I think that you should be outside this contract because I see your bright future.
ah,
Anyway, if you are a good and we need a faculty, we can hire you. So there is no need to have a contract to hire you. We will hire you.
ah.
But if you don't have a contract, you get a better opportunity, you can move. And with the contract, you will not be able to move. So you decide what you want. I
What
said,
did you
you are the
decide?
best. Yeah. I said, sir, you are the best person and you know what will be the future and how things are going. So whatever you decide, we are okay with this. Then he
Hmm.
said, we don't want a contract for you. He said, we don't want such a contract for you.
Ah, okay.
Except us, except us, everyone is bounded with the contract of
Huh.
IFHE, Dehradun, or any other campus,
Oh my God. Okay.
except us.
So you got lucky because you got a very supportive
That, that,
vice chancellor.
that is what I was saying. So I got, and support doesn't come just like that, right? If you need a support, you have to perform. This is
Hmm.
HR, you know the more better than me. So performers only get support. Other person also gets support, but you have to be like in Hindi we'll call chamchagiri. So we were not like this.
Okay, now,
Funny only
so
one.
your PhD is over, and then you worked with ICFI for
Then,
some time.
yeah, then after completing my PhD, in that also a lot of struggle happened, but everything was smooth
Huh.
because we had support from the top people and also support from the headquarter of IBS.
Uh-huh.
There was no problem at all.
Hmm.
And after our completing PhD program, because we had no contact, so we need to find a job, right? Then we started applying for a job because we were not sure whether we will get means, IFI system will accommodate us, or if they say no, we don't want you because you don't have contact, so you find your place. We started looking for. Then I got into IMT Hyderabad, and I also applied Terry. Terry put interview. Same day interview was there with the IBS Hyderabad. So
Okay.
then I thought anyway, one contact I have with the in a Hyderabad. Another interview scheduled with IBS, that is also Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is for sure that
Hmm.
I am going to join. It may be IBS or it may be IMT.
Okay.
So I left the Terry interview. I thought not to choose that option. I came to Hyderabad with all my luggage and all.
Hmm.
And finally, I
You got
got into
IBS.
IBS Hyderabad.
Huh.
Then I worked there. I
And then
think
you moved
around
to France.
2 years, and then I worked for ASSB accreditation process. I was the main person to do and help and all.
Huh.
I was forced to move to postdoc. A situation was created such a in this fashion that I was forced to find a job, and I
Huh.
got.
For the postdoc deliberately, or you wanted to have some another job then?
No, I wanted to have a job, but I thought because we know the Indian system how teaching happens here, but
Mhm.
I was because I had no exposure of abroad, so I was not knowing how teaching happens there. I had a faculty position. Means even they offered me that if you are willing to come as a assistant or associate, I said no, I want to come as a postdoc only.
Hmm.
And then they said okay, because I want and I in fact asked that if I can come as a postdoc and I can sit in some of the faculty's classes how they teach, and also that I learn and start taking my classes
Hmm.
thereafter.
Hmm.
So they said yes, yes, that is fine.
Hmm.
And then I opted for it.
Hmm.
It was my will.
Okay. And then you
Then
did
I
your postdoc, then worked there for some time and came back to India.
yeah. Then when I came back, when I came after completing postdoc, again we were not sure whether means they will accommodate me, or again we have to come back to India. So they offered me permanent position there.
Mhm.
And after getting that contract, I came back to India. Once I was in India, even in that time itself, many people they asked me from IITs, they wanted to summer internship and all. So uh, I got two applications, so I choose one, and then I invited that student. That student's parents talked to me, and they said, "Sir, it is because of you I am sending my son. Otherwise, I was not thinking to." I said, "No problem. I had a house. I told you can come and stay with me, so you don't have to pay rent and all, and we all can cook together. So there is no problem."
Hmm.
And he was there with me for 3 months,
Mhm.
and now he has become IAS officer. He just
Wow.
called me and he
Awesome.
told me.
Yeah.
So then when I came back here in India, I want miss it is in my blood that I want to help India to the extent that possible. So I explored like if some way I can help some of the institute in India. So I got invitation from Rajgiri that okay, what we can do. Actually, they were also looking for a good researcher like me.
Hmm.
So they wanted to me hire that time itself. I don't know. Let me go back because it is not good after just coming a postdoc, and
Hmm.
let me experience the faculty position there as well. I went there, but these people, they took my heart. with one incident I will tell. They in France, I managed to get, because I wanted to help. I managed to get 80-40 contract. Sorry,
Mhm.
80-20 contract.
Mm.
80-20 contract means you might have never heard such things if it happens in India. For me, that was the first time. According to that, 80% time and salary will be paid by my French business school, and 20% salary and time was paid by Rajgiri Business School.
Mm.
So 20% time of a year means about 3 months. So 3 months I was supposed to be with them, and
Mm.
they said, okay, fine, we will pay. And that 20% salary, it was more than any assistant professor is getting now in any IIMs.
Mhm.
So that much money, you can see, just they were paying for 3 months,
Mm.
and in return I was supposed to come here for 3 months in paper, but they said no, no problem, you can just come for a month. And that again, I forced them that because we have a contract, so I will come and help faculty members to do research and all, and also help to how to publish many things. Means whatever I can, or if anyone wants to come as a fellow or program there, I can give my recommendation
Mm.
later. If they can invite, we can be host institution.
Mm.
So things like that.
Okay.
They said fine.
So now you are working full time with Rajgiri School of
Yes,
Business.
when I came back here in India, uh, then there was some family issues. In miss, it was I was supposed to go back in I think July or something like that. Then November I was supposed to go to China for a program. So I thought uh, rather going back to France and from France coming to China, it can be costly affair. So be here till November, and then I can go back.
Which year it
So
was?
November, and then go back to France
No, it was which year?
in 2019.
Okay. Recently means.
Yeah, recently. So then, yeah. So I took miss. I had my classes scheduled from September. I got extension, and they postponed them from starting from December onwards. And some other issues came, like my mother wanted to get operated, so she had some problem, and my sister's married. So many things came at a time, and then I asked them, "Can you give me a leave for a year?"
Mm.
They said, "Okay." So, and in the leave process, they put me some conditions which I don't want to disclose. So with those conditions, I did not agree,
So
and I
they
said,
means
"Okay,
the French
French."
people.
Yes.
Okay. Mm.
So I said, "Okay," because for me, as I said in the beginning, family is the priority. I am because of them, so I cannot leave. And I thought, if anyway, if I have got quality, I will get anytime whenever I need.
Mm.
Abroad going is not a big deal to me.
Mm.
So I just put my resignation, and then because I just suddenly put resignation, I needed a sudden job, right?
Mm.
So immediate job, I had offer again from IBS and here, but I was not liking the environment there. So when I came here, two things which I liked. First thing, as I said in the beginning itself, like the way they treated, the way they were able to adjust their policies, manage the things like 80-20 contracts. I don't see anywhere it's done in India.
Mm.
So I felt optimistic that if I have something to say and I need any kind of flexibility, they will be able to offer, which I may not get anywhere. And for my performance, even in Tripura, I would say we were not having any database, any software, and even not a proper internet connection. Like in summer, we don't used to get proper internet, okay, in daytimes. But even then, I performed there. So for me, performance was only based on if I get relaxed with all the tensions. I don't need any tension. I need to just work freely. And I felt they are going to offer me, and which I discussed here, and they said, okay, no problem.
So
So I said,
immediately
fine.
from France, you moved to Rajgiri School of Business.
That is how I landed here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you, I think you are at the most beautiful place in India, Cochin. Everyone,
Yes,
it's a paradise,
second
and
reason is this.
yeah, it's a
Second
paradise.
reason is this, because from my childhood, when I used to see the places or sceneries from this place, I used to like,
Uh,
and I was thinking that I will come and see places, but just like coming tourist 7 days, maybe 10 days, or things like that, it is not possible to see. So best thing was to be here for some time and then move around.
mm.
And what I'm doing is the same thing. Every Saturday,
Great.
Sunday, we are going somewhere and seeing all the places nearby,
So
enjoying the life.
amazing. So yeah,
We have
that's
got
a very big roller coaster ride. I can imagine that moving to from Lucknow to Hyderabad to Tripura to France to back to Cochin and then I hope you reach to some other places where you could see places, not the institute. I'm sure you will do it. So, any plans to join
Really soon.
any IIT or IIM?
Plus, yeah, when I wanted, when I went to France that time, I again did not choose, and they asked me when you come back to India, you can again contact us,
Hmm.
and we will smooth the process. But I did not contact them back.
Okay. Okay, all right. So I have another question for you because you are an editor of many journals. You are a reviewer, you are a writer of, I can see the list which you keep on sharing on the LinkedIn. So, which role you feel that is more close to your heart and which is very satiating and why?
See, I think all researchers prefer to be authors.
Huh.
It has many advantages. Like if you are reviewer, no one knows you, whatever effort you put. So
Hmm.
no credit is given. If you are editor, again no credit. But if you are author, you can become a one day Nobel laureate as well.
Okay. So I'm waiting for that day for you to happen. Um, I am because of your rich experience, your background coming from, you have seen a lot of places, you have seen working systems around, like in India and in foreign country. So, what is your key potential message to future researchers, such as?
See, these days I get many messages, many emails,
Hmm.
and they want immediate publication.
Hmm.
I only say, forgive me.
Okay.
I put several years to come up to this level, and that to day night effort. It is not one day. We
Hmm.
have to learn the process. Right? You have to learn how to write. See,
Hmm.
I was there in Tripura, as I said in the beginning, without any database, without any support. You talk about now what we have got in IIMs and IITs, right? All the infrastructure that they need to write a paper, all the qualified faculty they need to help them to write a good paper. And then when I don't want to take name of any of these institutions, when it comes to their promotion, they will approach someone. Okay, can you help because my promotion is lined up at this particular stage.
Mhm.
I need help. After that, they will forget.
Hmm.
When they want to get a job, they need a paper so that they are eligible to apply to that particular position. For all researchers, see, from if you see from my CV, I worked in a, you can say, low class schools or universities,
Hmm.
but I perform.
Hmm.
It is only one thing which is hard work.
Hmm.
If you have any database, any support, no, nothing is going to work. But I would say you utilize whatever you have got
Hmm.
with your 100% efficiency. Okay.
Mhm, mhm,
If you miss anything, see, PhD period or college period, we remember a lot. Why? Because we sometimes we thought we will use in this way, but it got misused. So
mm,
that is where we used to remember, okay, I'm missing that part. I could have learned something, or someone will say, I did not enjoy that moment. So I only say that this is the period because once you come to the faculty side, things are completely different. The
mm,
time you have got as a student, either it is a PhD students or master students,
mm,
right? You have all the time to do either enjoyment or improve your skills,
mm,
knowledge, whatever you can.
mm,
And these things, then you can again, you will be repaid.
mm,
So whatever time effort you have put, you must use 100% time, devote yourself, work hard. And as I said, I believe only on karma.
huh,
Karmadeva adhikaraste ma phalesh kadacha. Nothing else I believe. I
nothing else.
just keep on working, and I pray God will give me whatever I deserve. That's it.
True, sir.
Of course, it will be delayed, but I will get. That is sure.
Mhm, mhm.
Everyone will get, not only I, everyone will get, whoever is working hard.
So, how do you summarize your research output, or maybe I should use research impact?
It can be measured in many ways. In what way you are talking about?
Whatever, sir. How many papers we have published? How many conferences you have been? How do you think that your overall research is
Okay,
helping people around?
okay. So papers. when I completed my PhD, I had around 100 papers,
Mm-hmm.
including single authored A star.
Wow.
Now I have around 250 scopus publications on Web of Science, and I think close to 30 A star, maybe close to 70 to 80 A and A star.
Wow, sir.
Rest
Amazing.
I
And
don't
that too
know.
in economics.
Many
That
other
is,
people they will look my profile and they will find, okay, this paper is cited that many times and this is this or that is that. So as I said, I am not looking all those things. I am just doing my work and others are doing other work.
mm,
So one thing I have noticed, and again I want to give a key message to all. In India, we have a tendency about talking about others.
mhm,
See, we have got 24 hours, right? No one has got more than this. And if we spend more time on talking about others, we don't have much time to help ourselves, right? Because that 24 hours you are dividing, right? So rather talking about others, if you help yourself, develop your skills, it is there everywhere. It is
mm,
not about only research. Okay, our this neighbor, if has built a house, we'll talk maybe for months. If he buys a new car, we'll talk about a month. Why you don't think about why how you cannot buy? You think and analyze all the strategies or all the things that you can do to develop your skill, develop yourself, earn more money if you want. Means if you're thinking about that, earn more name and fame if you want, whatever you need to develop. This is the major gap that I have seen from our country to the Western world. They are
mhm,
not worried about who is doing what, but here we are more worried about what is done by someone else.
mhm. True. I
This is the
agree. I agree holistically. Whatever you are saying in terms of we have दूसरों की थाली में घी ज़्यादा दिखाई देता है वो philosophy we believe in and we try to follow that as well, but that's not a good approach. We should try to avoid such kind of comparisons in our lives. So we all are sailing in our own journeys. We should not compare
yes,
anyone.
yes. We
We have.
cannot we cannot be anyone, right?
Hmm,
We are. It is said that I am.
hmm,
So I am because I don't know what is surrounding me, and that is forcing me to be I am, right?
hmm,
You are because there is a surrounding which is forced to be you are, right?
hmm.
So you cannot be I and I cannot be you.
True, true, true.
If we try to change this, then there are many things going to happen, and we will not be either I or you. It will be somewhere in middle.
Hmm,
So rather doing this, just be focused on what you are, and everyone cannot get a skill in all the areas that you want.
hmm,
You analyze yourself. You give some time to analyze yourself and see in which areas you have got a skill. Develop those skills or whatever it may be.
hmm,
Okay, and then move on.
hmm.
My
And
father used to say one thing. Uh, Again, this is a learning only. He used to say, Aviral, whatever you do, I just want to see you that you are exceptional in your area.
wow.
Even if you are even if you have a shop or you are a mochi, I'm not bothered. But then you have to be make shoes like no one is able to make.
Hmm. Class apart in
So
everything.
only this is the thing. Yeah, this is the only thing I am trying to be what I am, and just
Amazing,
focusing
sir.
on my things. Nothing else.
Amazing, amazing, sir. I really, I wish you all the best for your future, and I wish you travel all across India so that you can see places and your dreams come true in terms of
Abroad as
travel
well.
abroad as well. Yes, of course. So I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for accepting our request. And
Thank you,
you
madam.
got to know each other. It was very, very interesting to learn a lot of things about you. Thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.